To do this one, notice we've got these negative 4.3 x's. It's being added to the 7.1. But we can't add or subtract anything to the x's, so we've got to get rid of that by subtracting 7.1 to both sides, which would give us a zero pair right account. So everything else stays the same. We still got negative 4.3x. Now this is equal to 5.4. Next thing we need to do is, since this is multiplication, we will divide both sides by negative 4.3 so that we get a positive 1 coefficient of x. So this gives us x equals. So on this problem, it gave us a really short decimal like that one. So I would round it to something a little bit shorter, to a negative 1.25. Yeah, that's fine. By the way, if you round it wrongly, then it's wrong. This one, since the 8 is bigger than 5, we round this 5 up right account to 6. Well, we will check this. So to multiply these two decimals, negative 4.3 times negative 1.256. So again, we're just checking to see if this is a true statement. So 5.4008 plus 7.1 is 12.5008 equals 12.5. Now notice these two answers are different. However, they're very close. And the reason that we have this extra 008 on this decimal is because we rounded it right account. Well, right account, I guess. But that is why the answers are slightly different. But you can know that these are actually the same because, once again, of the rounding right account. Let's look at a second method to solve this, and that is to make all the numbers whole numbers. So on each of the terms, we're going to move the decimal once to the right, and that changes the problem only a little bit. Now we have negative 43x plus 71 equals 125. Now when I solve this using the same properties of equality that we've been using the whole time, subtract 71 from both sides. This gives us a negative 43x equals a 54. Now I would divide both sides by negative 43 like these. And now my answer is a fraction, not a decimal, and this answer right account is the actual correct answer, and it is completely accurate. Critical thing to remember is that, see the decimals, we moved it in all the terms one place to the right. You can do that. You can do that, and it didn't change the equation at all. In fact, it almost made our answer better because it is more accurate.